So talk to me. What's your process? How do you design these parts? Do you have to dismantle this to find out what the original apparatus is? Are you recreating the apparatus that was in there, or are you just starting from scratch? And
all of the above. From one scope to the next, it's a completely different set of problems to solve. It's that's why 3D printing is so easy. Lends itself so easily to this process.
Right, because you can make those little changes. That you can print one, and if it doesn't quite fit, you need to shave a millimeter here, a millimeter there.
Yeah.
And they're pretty precise.
Yes.
3D printers.
And there's a way to get precision with that, and sometimes you have to shrinkage the plastic and all that stuff. You got to calculate for that. So what happens is you print a part and it doesn't fit right. So then you skew the dimensions to where when it shrinks in its final form, then it fits precisely. Now you have a digital profile that all you have to do is hit print, 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 print. As long as you keep the same plastic suppliers, because there's different recipes for plastic, so they'll shrink different. So if I have to change a supplier, I have to test it, make sure that I got all my geometry right. So when it shrinks down to its final size, that it's a good fit.
Okay.